Hey everybody, welcome back. Let's talk about email marketing basics, how you can get started with email marketing. Now I want you to stay tuned to the very end because at the end of this video I'm going to share with you the #1 email marketing tip that can move your business forward fast. Now, contrary to how much you actually hate email, and hint, we all hate email, email is not dead as a marketing platform. As of 2020, there are approximately 4 billion email users in the world. That's 50% of the 7.7 billion population of the world. On average, email marketing generates about $38 for every dollar spent on it. That's a 3,800% ROI. And 2/3 of customers have made a purchase as a direct result of email marketing messages. Now, as we get into talking about this, you have to remember the one golden rule of email marketing, and that is that email marketing is not about you. Email marketing is not about your company. Email is about the customer. Email is one of the few marketing vehicles where you can actually build a deep, authentic connection with your customer. And it is one of the most important elements of your marketing strategy, building that deep connection. Now, used correctly, email can be both a relationship building tool and a profit making tool. But how do you use email effectively and responsibly? Well, the answer is you got to treat your list like they're human beings. But first, you got to start using it. So, how do you get started with email marketing? Basically, there are 8 steps. #1 is you want to start with the audience. Like all marketing, you start with your customer. You understand what they want, what the problem is that you're solving for them, and what value you're going to be giving them. #2 is you establish your goals. What are you looking to accomplish? Are you trying to get sales, downloads, website traffic, social traffic, engagement, likes, comments, shares? You have to decide what it is that you're trying to accomplish. #3 is you want to select your email service provider. You can't just go out and use a normal Gmail account to send out hundreds or thousands of emails to people, because you'll get immediately flagged as spam and Google will shut down your account. All your emails will go straight to junk. So you need to sign up with an email service provider like MailChimp or ConvertKit or ActiveCampaign. #4 is probably the most important one. You have to create a way for people to sign up. And you do this by creating an email sign-up form on your website, possibly in the footer, possibly on a landing page. Now, #5 is you want to create a reason for them to give you their email address. You want to create landing pages on your site or sign-up forms on your site where you offer lead magnets. Now, a lead magnet is a free download that they will get in exchange for signing up to your email list. Lead magnets can be things like ebooks or PDFs or checklists or resource lists. And you have to make sure that your lead magnet solves a problem, and that problem should align with your core offering, the themes of your core offering. So it will lead them to want to sign up, but also to be more interested and learn more about your business. Step #6 is you want to choose an email campaign type. There are lots of different kinds of email campaigns. Will you send out a newsletter? Will you send out product and service announcements? Will you announce blog posts or drip campaigns with an email course of some kind? #7 is you want to make an email calendar or a schedule. Decide on how often you're going to email your list. Set a calendar, what kind of emails, when they're going to go out. And then make sure to tell your list what to expect from you. And finally, #8, you want to measure your results. Measuring ROI on email marketing is a big subject, and it's probably worth a video all on its own. But you can start off by tracking your open rates and what links and how many links are clicked in your emails. And you do this through the dashboard on your account page of your email service provider. So how can email marketing be used? As I said at the beginning of the video, email marketing is great for building relationships. It puts a human voice and a personality and a face behind your brand. People want to do business with people, not brands. Email is great for building relationships. It's also great for building awareness, to keep your company top of mind. So when people are ready to engage or ready to buy, you are top of mind. Email is also great for content promotion. So sharing relevant content, either curated content or original content, and useful assets with your email list. Lead generation is also another great way to use email marketing. You can foster that engagement over time that's going to lead to a relationship with a potential customer. You can also use email marketing for product marketing, promoting your products and services, or also for lead nurturing. So providing your customers with content that's really going to to help them succeed. And so they build up what I like to call subliminal reciprocity, meaning you give them so much value that over time they really want to engage with you on a deeper level. Now, as you're getting started with email marketing, here are some additional tips I want you to keep in mind. You want to concentrate on great subject lines to improve your open rates. You want to make sure that your subject lines of your emails are interesting, not too clickbaity, but also not boring. And also make sure that you're avoiding all caps, because things like all caps and exclamation points can really trigger spam filters and send your emails into people's spam folders. And remember, your ESP and also all sorts of email bots on the web read your emails and not just your subject lines inside the content of your email. So what you do in your emails can actually trigger spam filters that send your emails to spam. And once they go to spam, they're never going to be seen again. Make sure to use images also in your emails to make them visually appealing. You can use JPEG, static images. Make sure if you do use images to use those alt tags. Enter those alt tags because those spam bots like to see that images have alt tags. You can also use animated GIFs to keep your emails visually interesting. Even though you can't add actual videos that play within emails, animated GIFs are a great way around that. Another tip I suggest is to avoid too many links in your emails. Because these email bots read the content of your emails, having way too many links within an email sometimes can trigger spam filters, and it will reduce your open rates. And finally, you want to make sure that you're keeping your emails snackable. When was the last time that you read an incredibly long scrolling text-dense email? Not very often, right? So you want to make sure that you keep a lot of white space in your emails, you don't have too many areas of super dense text, and you keep it light with images, with text, with links. Make it snackable. Now, at the beginning of this video, I told you that I was going to share with you the one email power tip that you could use in your business right now, and here it is. You got to have a call to action in your emails. You can't forget that email is a two-way street. Engagement goes both ways. With your call to action, what is it that you actually want people to do? Here's a suggestion. Add a simple, at the bottom of your email, a simple hit reply. Hit reply and tell me what you're currently working on. Hit reply and tell me what you're inspired by, what your biggest challenge is. Because when people respond, it shows your email service provider that they are engaged. And this improves deliverability. It cuts down on the triggering of spam filters. And make sure when people respond to you that you shoot them a quick email back. Say, thanks a lot for sharing. It shows that you are having a conversation with your email list, and that's great for deliverability. So that's it. I hope you liked this video on email marketing basics, how you can get started with email marketing. And if you did like it, hit subscribe below and make sure to bang that notification bell so you can get alerted when I post something new or when I go live. And if you need help with your brand strategy, your brand design, or your professional creative career, reach out to me at philipvandusen.com and let's see what we can do to get you to the next level. And with that, thanks again for watching. Bye for now.